Hi, I'm Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to the world of Fogwing Asset Plus, a smart CMMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. Now, I will walk you through registering with the Asset Plus CMMS platform during this session. To get started, open app.assetplus.ai on your web browser. This will take you to the login page for Fogwing Asset Plus. To register with Fogwing Asset Plus, click Create One. You will be directed to the account registration page. Fill out the relevant details like first name, last name, organization name, select the purpose based on your organization's requirements. If you need software for factory maintenance, select factory maintenance. If you need software for facility maintenance, select facility maintenance. The application will change according to your purpose. Please indicate the location where your organization is based. And provide your official email address. Set a password according to the required format. Check the box I agree to the terms of use and privacy. Click on the Sign Up button to complete the registration process. Once you are done registering with Fogwing Asset Plus, a link will be sent to your official email. Please activate your account before logging in. Once you successfully register with Fogwing Asset Plus, let's learn now how to activate your Fogwing Asset Plus account. Open the mail sent to your official email address. Please check your spam folder if you do not find this email in your account. Once you open the mail, click on the link. Click here to verify to activate your account. You will be redirected to the page with the account activated message. After activating your Fogwing Asset Plus account, you can now proceed to log into your official account. Here's how to do it. Open the Fogwing Asset Plus login page and enter your official email address and password mentioned while registering with Fogwing Asset Plus. Press Login to access your Fogwing Asset Plus Smart CMMS platform. Congratulations on registering with Fogwing Asset Plus. Explore the various features and capabilities of the platform to enhance your maintenance experience. Thank you for watching this Fogwing Asset Plus platform registration demo. We're thrilled to have you join us on your asset maintenance journey with Fogwing Asset Plus. Stay connected and maximize your experience. We sincerely hope that you found this demo insightful. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try. Your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.